viewers, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix 10 top 9 uh, solution to fix uh, SFC scan now is not working, or to fix the SFC scan now problems that I will let you the 6 problem that can happen if you want to repair your registry file or something else in your PC but it doesn't work. So SFC scan now is a command prompt that allows you to scan your Windows 10 system for errors and repair them. This is useful feature, but number of users reported that SFC scan now stops and can't continue. This can be a big problem, but there are several solutions that you can try. SFC scan can be useful in repairing system files, but sometimes SFC scan now command can stop. This can be a problem and prevent you from repairing your files. Speaking of problems, here are some of the most common issues the user reported. The first messages you can see here are 6 error messages for SFC scan now stops on Windows 10. The first is SFC scan now stuck at verification at beginning system scan. According to users, SFC scan can get stuck at verification or at the beginning of the scan. However, you might be able to fix the problem simply by replacing the corrupted files. Let's go ahead to the second message. SFC scan now frozen Windows 10. This is another issue that can appear with the SFC scan. To fix this issue, it is advised to restore your PC using system restore and check if that solved the problem. The third problem is SFC scan now nothing happens. Couple of users reported that nothing happens while using SFC scan on their PC. If that's the case, try using the DISM scan instead and check if that solved the issue. Let's go ahead to the fourth error message. SFC scan now stop scanning. According to users, sometimes an SFC scan can stop completely on your PC. This is a strange issue and it might be caused by turbo memory feature. Simply disable this feature and check if that solved the issue. Let's go ahead to the fifth. SFC scan now fails Windows 10 H.17. This problem can appear on almost any version of Windows, and Windows 8.1 and 7 are not exceptions. However, you should be able to fix this issue by using one of our solutions. Now let's go ahead to the last message error, that is SFC scan now stops. You must be an administrator. SFC scan requires administrative privileges in order to run, and if you are having any issues with SFC, be sure that you are using command prompt as an administrator. Now let's go ahead to the solution. The solution number 1 is to replace the corrupted files. Sometimes improper shutdown or power loss can cause certain files to become corrupt and stop the SFC scan from completing. Almost any file on your PC can cause this issue to appear, and in order to fix it, you need to find the corrupted file and replace it with a working file from different Windows 10 PC. Now let's go ahead to the solution number 2, that is to perform a system restore. Press Windows plus S and enter restore and select create a restore point. Now in system restore window open, click next. Now you should click next, then select. I will not do it, I will let you do it by yourself, because I'm not having this issue and it's just a tutorial on how about to fix the problem. You need to select next, then after that select the restore point you wish to return to and click next. Follow the instruction on the screen to complete the process. So system restore is a useful feature that allows you to fix various problems, and many users reported that this issue was fixed after restoring their PC with the system restore tool. Now let's go ahead to the solution number 3. The solution number 3 is to run DISM scan. So to do that, press Windows key plus X. Then select command prompt as admin. CMD OK, but you need to do it as admin. When command prompt opens, enter DISM online cleanup image restore health and press enter. So here you got an error that is elevated permissions are required to run DISM. So you need to open CMD as administrator to the command to be working perfectly. So after that, wait for the process to complete, and DISM scan allows you to repair your system, and if SFC scan now stops, or if it can't fix the problem, you can use this method to fix it. Now let's go ahead to do solution number 4. The solution number 4 is to check for hardware problems. Users reported that hardware problems can cause SFC scan now to stop. According to them, faulty RAM can sometimes cause these issues. So be sure to test your RAM with memtest 86 Plus. I will let you the link in the description. In addition, you can also try removing and replacing one of your RAM modules, RAM memory. Now let's go ahead to the solution number 5, that is to reset your PC. If other solutions don't work for you, you might have to reset your PC. This procedure will delete all files from your C partition, so be sure to create a backup to reset Windows 10. So to do this, do this following. And on how to create a backup, I will let you a link in the description on how to create a backup. So click the start menu, start button, then hold shift. You must hold shift, no, click start button, then hold shift. Now when your computer restarts, choose troubleshoot, then click on reset this PC, then here you can choose between remove everything, apps and settings but keeps your personal file, or remove all your personal files, apps and settings. Both options will remove all installed third-party application, but keep my file option will save your personal files and documents. If required, insert Windows 10 installation media. I will let you the link of the Windows 10 in the description.
Then I will not go ahead. Choose this file if you want to keep your file, your personal file. If you don't want to keep your personal file, choose these options. Now after that you're gonna to click on reset button and follow the instruction on screen to complete the reset process.
Now let's go ahead to the solution number 6. That is to update your drivers. So if you can't complete SFC scan now command on your PC, you might want to try updating your drivers. According to users, several of them managed to fix this problem simply by updating their rapid storage drivers. This is rather simple, and in order to update your drivers, you just have to visit your motherboard manufacturer's website and download the necessary drivers. But don't worry, I will let you. Uh, in most cases, the drivers will come with a set of files so you can install them with ease. So to do that, you need to download the drivers and extract them to a desired directory. In this example, uh, so to do that, open Device Manager. You can do it by pressing Windows plus X. Then go to, now locate the device that you want to update. Computer Management, Device Manager. Now you can quickly by pressing Windows K plus X and choosing Device Manager from Windows plus X menu. Now locate the device you want to update. Right click on it, like in example this one, and choose Update Driver. Then select Browse My Computer for drivers or search automatically for drivers. Then now after clicking that, the the software or the operating system will search for the driver. If you choose the the second option, but you choose the first option, the the operating system will choose the driver from internet. But don't worry, I have a jet way to do it by 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 in order by by downloading a software called TweakBit Driver Updater. This software, once installed, will start scanning your PC for updated drivers automatically. Driver Updater will check your installed driver or versions against its cloud database of the latest versions and recommend proper updates. All you need to do is wait for the scan to complete and driver link next to the driver name, or simply click the update all button at the bottom to automatically install all recommended updates. So, nota bene, some drivers need to be installed in multiple steps, so we will have to hit the update button several times until all of its components are installed. So this software is called TweakBit Driver Update. I will let you the link in the description with of the software. After that, wait for the software. wait for the scan to be completed. In my case, my device are using the latest driver. So in your case, if you have an outdated driver, you need to check it, then click on update. So now let's go ahead to the solution number 7, that is to disable and uninstall turbo memory feature. According to user, features such as turbo memory are not fully compatible with all hard drivers, and sometimes this feature can cause issue with the SFC scannow to appear. To fix the problem, it is advisable to disable or uninstall this feature entirely. But I don't recommend this solution, because you must go to the BIOS and disable it, and it can cause this feature is primordial for the core of the operating of the PC, because it uh, it it speed the core of the operating system, and I don't recommend to do it. So you can skip the solution number 7. Now go to the solution number 8, is to try to run SFC scan from safe mode. So if you are not familiar, safe mode is a special segment of Windows that runs with default applications and settings, which makes it perfect for troubleshooting. Several users reported that they were able to run SFC scan from safe mode, so be sure to try that. To enter safe mode, first you need to do the following. Open Start menu and click on Power button and hold the Shift key and choose Restart. I will hold the Shift key and choose.
Now you should see several options available. Choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then go to Startup Settings and click the Restart button. I will not do it. Once your PC restarts, you will be presented with a list of options. Select the desired version of safe mode by pressing the corresponding key. So I will not do it because I'm not because it's just a tutorial. So
Let's go ahead to the last solution, that is try to use and check disk scan. According to users, you might be able to solve this problem simply by running a check disk scan. Sometimes the data on your hard drive can get corrupted, causing the SFC scan to get stuck. However, you might be able to fix the problem by running a check disk scan. To do that, follow the steps. Start command prompt CMD, but as administrator. I'll run it as administrator. CMD run as administrator, then hit yes. When command prompt starts, enter check disk F. Then after F, the letter of the hard drive. That's in my case C. Then I will press enter. Check 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 this cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? I will click no because I will let you do it by yourself. I will exit. So your PC now will, after clicking yes, your PC will now restart and check this scan will automatically start. Keep in mind that check disk scan can take up to hours or so depending on the size of your disk drive. Once the check disk scan is finished, you should be able to perform SFC scan without any problems. If you have any more suggestion or question, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below and I will be sure to take a look on it. So now you are wondering how to stop the if you have running SFC scan, but how to stop it? To stop it, open the start menu, write run, then hit enter, then type in SFC to stop the SFC, then revert and hit enter. This command will stop all SFC activity. So the SFC activity will be stopped. So another question, does SFC work on Windows 10? SFC command works in Windows 10 as well as other previous version of Windows 10 of Windows. Sorry, I So how long does a SFC scan now take? It usually takes between 10 to 45 minutes depending on the disk size, speed and other factors. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to post a comment and hit like button if you like it, and also don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial like this. Hope you are doing well guys. See you soon on the next tutorial. Bye.